So it's a new take on brick sanding. This is awesome. Found the owner over here.
The guy with the black.
What's going on, man? What's your name?
Josh.
And you guys have seen his photos a lot. He's got a camera always at these shows, and this is his truck. And he posted a post a while back about sanding it with a brick. That's how you get this wonderful. What do you want to call this? Patina?
I guess.
Rust?
It's just rusty.
Tetanus? I think it's called tetanus.
Tetanus-ridden paint
so
job.
Cool. Now tell me about the truck here. What is the chassis?
It is a 2005 Crown Vic chassis. It's been shortened down in the front, and the front of the bed's been shortened down.
Yeah.
I left the back.
Long?
Yeah, we just built something we built in the barn.
Now, this used to be, you put this down to bare metal for a while, right? And then you just decided to let it go to where it's at now?
Yeah, well, the intention was to actually do just the normal silver bare metal, but then it started changing to this color, and I fell in love with it, so I just kept it.
Gee, that's cool. I love these right here. Tell me about these. What I love about this is that it's like super modded, but it's like kind of on a, like got a budget feel, but you know, effective and real. I like that.
I feel like I call it imperfectly perfect to the truck.
That's cool.
The way the
Well, let's grab that brick and open the hood. I love these. These are cool.
under the hood still needs to be finished up and everything.
We got a 4.6 in here.
Yeah.
2 valve.
2 valve, 350,000 miles.
Oh yeah, heck yeah. I like the open air filter.
Yeah. Electrical taped on there.
Holy cow. So is this all stock?
Yeah.
That is cool. I like what you did there. Just made it work, man.
Next year it'll all be sheet metal, everything underneath here, new
Yeah.
motor.
I like this, dude. Good job.
Might actually finish the scoops out where they should be. I need to put I got a piece of pipe that'll go there so I can run it over,
okay.
so when it drains.
I see. It doesn't like go right on your engine.
Yeah.
I like this. This is cool. And what you got? You did a little fabricating down below here. What's going on there?
I built just a front roll pan and a valance for the sheet metal.
I like that.
It's got custom set of headlights I built, American flag edge, HID projectors and stuff like that.
That's cool. I like how the rest of it is, you know, raw steel basically, but yet you got your semi-polished aluminum or whatever that is grill, dude.
Yeah, it's just the aluminum grill and it's got the steel covers on the sides. They didn't
I
have
like that.
bezels when I got them.
This one kind of matches, but this one over here needs some work. I think it's time to pull out that brick here when you get back.
Pretty much.
Are these bullets on the side?
Yeah, that's 5.56 ammo to go in where the trim was.
That's cool. I like this, man. That is freaking cool. What do we got going on in the interior? Is that side easier to get to, you think?
Yeah, I think it's definitely. It's got stock. It's got running stock truck floors and firewall. I got it all. I painted it Massey Ferguson gray on the inside because I couldn't figure out a color other than maroon. I didn't like the maroon.
I'll let him lie to you. It's really got these beams on it.
Yeah.
It should. How about that?
Yeah, it needs it.
Yeah.
I just wouldn't be able to turn this quick.
Like, hey.
Die like a man. Come on.
Yeah.
That was good. This I've always liked these seats right here. This is out of a like King Ranch back seat, right? Like 2005 or something like that. That's cool. So, what suspension exact? I mean, is it the frame of a Crown?
Yeah, the full
Okay.
frame.
I like how when people leave the truck inside, not use the
truck dash.
like a lot of them have to use the steering column. Why is that?
That was just me not having the right U-joint or joints and
Okay.
shaft and stuff like that to make my factory one to it. It was just easier, and I still had cruise control at that point.
Okay.
Then I changed the steering wheel out, and there went my cruise
Yeah, I
control.
bet you that. Yeah, okay. I was gonna say there's got to be a reason why you keep that. I mean, that's cool, dude. I like it.
Big shout out to Sean for giving me that,
Yeah, that is cool.
so I can make it rust and make it to the thing with the truck.
So, what's the helmet for?
One of my best friends, he passed away a couple years ago, and that was his helmet.
Oh, I remember that. You told me that last year.
Yeah,
I think.
that's his military hat too.
In memory, man. I'll never forget. Yeah, I like that Deadpool, huh?
Oh yeah. Me and him were big Deadpool fans.
How long ago did he pass?
3 years ago.
Okay, still kind of fresh.
Yeah.
What's going on back here? I like this bed cover.
Yeah, I worked at a dealership, and this come in on, I don't remember what year Ford. It was a 19 or a 20. We always took the bed covers off of them, so I took it home.
Yeah, it's a little short, but it works.
The in here's not finished. It's just wide open, no fender wells. That'll all be built by next year.
Yeah, you're gonna close it up, pretty it up a bit.
Yeah, so when I throw junk in the back, it don't slide out the hole. It's sitting on the air ride.
See a pump back there.
It's bagged on all four corners.
Very cool, man. I like what you did back here.
I always wanted a shaved tailgate, so I built that one.
You know what I like? Go ahead, what'd you
Then
say?
me and her built the roll pan. She helped me with the bead rolling of the tailgate.
That's cool.
All that's gonna be lit up.
You know what I like about your truck is, and I'm kind of a guy like this too, right? So if you're gonna use it, if you're gonna have fun with your truck, make it your way. But if you make it too nice, then you're too worried to have fun with it. You're too worried to drive it. And I mean, some people, they can't have a rust hole on it anywhere, but you did modifications and there's a rust hole.
Yeah.
You know, and if the rust doesn't affect your truck, then why worry about it?
Yeah,
You know,
it
type
still
thing.
goes out in the field. My buddy's got 140 acres. When he leaves for the weekend or something, I'll go watch the horses and dogs, go through the field, check on the hay, haul hay, whatever.
Really?
Had rat rods in the back.
That's cool. Hey, thanks for that sticker, man. Heck yeah.
Oh yeah.
Very cool. Thanks for rocking that. Well, cool, man. What's your favorite part of this build?
Probably the hood. Everybody loves the hood of the truck. It draws everybody in. Other than that, and us being daily driven is probably my favorite part.
Cool. What do you think? You know, your girl that helps you out. What do you think her favorite part is? She said it.
I don't have a clue. What is your favorite part of this?
She shrugs. She doesn't want to be on there. All right. No, she's covered her face. Well, that's cool. So, what is something you mentioned? A few things you're going to do next. But what's something big you're going to do next to this?
Doing a Ford 2013 Ford 6.2 motor swap.
Oh, nice.
Everybody's got Coyotes, which are great motors and stuff like that. But I wanted something different, and so
well, explain to people 6.2 what's different between that, and say something else similar to it.
Ford 6.2 is just a newer model, big block modular to me.
Okay.
It's single overhead cam, just like these 4.6s are, but it's just a healthy motor. So they're just.
Do they have cam phasers or anything like that?
Yes.
Because
they're getting locked out.
Are they?
So I don't have to worry about cam phasers
Some
going out.
computer or two having to manage it or something, right?
So I'm just gonna lock them out and tune them out.
That's cool. You strike me as somebody that would want to get like a 3-valve or something fancy 4.6 or a modular motor of that era. Yeah.
I like my 3 valves.
You can put a little boost to it, you know?
Yeah, I'm gonna put boost to this one too.
That's cool.
I've got a 76mm precision that'll probably go on this one.
Really?
For no reason.
That's cool, man. This is pretty awesome, dude. You know, you post this everywhere. You got, like I said at the beginning of this, you do a little bit of photography and pictures everywhere. Where can people find this truck?
My shop page is Fueled Creations on Facebook.
Say that again.
Fueled Creations.
Fueled Creations.
And then the truck's Instagram is F100 underscore, or no, hang on, full underscore metal F100.
Gotcha. I wouldn't go there if pew-pews and American flags offend you.
Exactly.
I gotta say pew-pews because, you know, 2023, I guess. I don't know.
That's the worst part about my headliner is now I don't know where to put my pew-pew. Because it was mounted up top. Now I got to find another spot.
Looking at your truck, something tells me you'll figure something out.
Yeah, it's probably going to be a hole cut in the seat.
There you go.
Sleeve it, stick it in there.
There you go. Water guns.
Yeah, water guns.
Got to find a location for the water guns. Okay, very cool, man. I love this. Oh, tell me what those wheels are real quick.
They are 2013 GT500 wheels that I had powder coated.
Powder coated, huh?
Transparent copper. That was always the color that those wheels were going to be when I got them.
Well, I love it, man. This is a freaking cool truck. I really appreciate you. It was good seeing you here at the show, Supernats.
Yeah, always, man.
Yeah. All right, man. Guys, check out his socials. Check out his truck. Show him some love and maybe some hate. He'll fire back at you.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
See ya.
Next year.